Hi everyone, I'm Alison with Continental Bead Suppliers. Thank you so much for joining me today. Who doesn't love dangles on their earrings? We certainly do, and we're excited to share with you how to make your very own Ocean Breeze earrings. Lots of wrap loops are created with a sea and sand palette dangling from our gorgeous Teardrop Charm Pendants, with a hint of one of our simple cable chains. Such a versatile beach party for your ears that can really be created in any colorway you wish. Let's begin. For Ocean Breeze earrings, we'll be using 2 Teardrop Charm Pendants. The part number is K129. 2 1-inch pieces of cable chain. The part number is CH-819. 34 1.5-inch 24 gauge head pins. The part number is H/P1.5. 2 hammered French ear wires. The part number is EW5003. 10 4mm 21 gauge jump rings. The part number is JR4. 34 4mm beads. I've chosen 9 of the Powder Blue Impression Jasper and 8 of the crystals for each earring. Tools are 1 pair of chain nose pliers, 1 pair of round nose pliers, 2 pairs of flat nose pliers and flush cutter. We're going to begin by creating 17 wrap loops. So as I mentioned before, we'll be using 9 of the Powder Blue Impression Jasper and 8 of the crystal option. So let me go ahead and start this off. So we've just threaded the little 4mm powder blue onto the head pin. I've got the chain nose pliers resting on the bead. I'm going to push the wire away to form the 90-degree angle. Swap up to the round nose pliers. These are just going to be little loops, so I'm in perhaps about 1/2 centimetre here, 1/4 of an inch. So the wire's coming up over the top until it touches the bead. Hold on to the bead, loosen your plier, quarter turn it, tighten it back up, push the wire to the back. I take my plier out here and come across this loop with the chain nose pliers. Just make sure you keep a good grip on it. Then with the round nose pliers, just start working the wire around from just underneath the plier and the loop down to the bead. And you just want to make it snug enough so that there's no movement in the bead going up and down. And we'll trim that off. Just tuck in any spring back that may be there so it doesn't get caught on things. So I'll pop that back in there. Do another one. So the same thing, just with the tip of the pliers and the plier resting on the bead. Push the wire back. Find the same spot on the plier. It's always handy too to mark the plier if you find that you're not very confident in eyeballing where you want the wire to be. This will give you the same size loop each time. And they're really quite quick to do once you get a little bit of a rhythm with it. So again, we'll just wind the wire around here, wrap the wire around. So it's usually 3 or 4 wraps. Whoops. And again, just tuck in any spring back. So I'm going to carry on with the rest of them and I'll come back. So now I'm going to do the same, make wrap loops for 8 of the crystals. For the next part, we're going to open one of these 4mm jump rings with the flat nose pliers. So just carefully open that. We'll attach it to the Teardrop Charm. So you can see this little piece up at the top here, this little sort of diamond shape is going to be where we're attaching this jump ring through. And it is a little bit tricky, I have to say, but we'll see how we can do this. See, it'll stay there. Then we're going to put one of the Powder Blue Impression Jasper on there. And just carefully close this up. So you've got this little dangle sitting in here. You can see that. Next thing is we'll take another jump ring. And we're going to open this up as well. We'll take one of the jasper, one of the crystals, the length of chain, so the last link on one of the lengths of chain, and then the same 2 beads again, so another crystal and the jasper, and then this time we're going to attach it onto this lower sort of little diamondy shape that's in the band of the charm. So that goes in there like that, and make sure that this is closed. So you can see this starting to happen here. Next we'll take another jump ring and add it to this last length, the last link of the chain. Once again adding 4 more beads. So we'll take a jasper, crystal, jasper, and a crystal. And that will go onto this last link here. That looks really fun just like this. But we're going to add more. Another jump ring. We'll open this one up. Jasper, crystal, jasper, and a crystal. This one will be added to, as you're looking at this teardrop, you can see that there's a little kind of a diamondy shape just to the left of the center one here, and there's another one on the right. So we'll add it into this left shape there, close this up. Take another jump ring. I'll just move these ones out of the way because that's for the other earring. So we'll open this one up. Jasper, crystal, Jasper, and the crystal. So this one is going to go on the right hand side of the center. So this one's more of a triangle shape here. So let's see if we can get this in like that. Close that up. Just want to make sure that these jump rings are closed properly so that none of the little wrap loops will slide through any opening. So you can see what we've got going on here now. And then the last thing to do is to attach the ear wire. So this one has a little ball on it, little detail here. So you just want to make sure that that's caught under your nail or something just to keep it up out of the way from the loop here. Slide the earring on, and again making sure that the ball is up out of the way. The opening won't close properly if the ball slips down into it, so it sits like this. And here we have, here's the other earring I had made. And here we have Ocean Breeze earrings. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and will give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell to receive more great content. Have you ever wondered about building a dropshipping business with Continental Beads? Check the links below for dropshipping info or contact us at www.continentalbeads.com. We're excited to speak with you and help you grow your business. See you next time.